Welcome. This is a final video to fix the SCRCPY black screen in apps and Lockscreen. And if you're seeing a blank screen when you mirror your phone, you are not alone. This usually happens because the app or your device settings block the display, and most guides online are full of complicated steps that are hard to follow. But today on Rexist, I will show you a simple trick that solves it in just a few clicks by adjusting the right permissions and refreshing connection. And if you want a full step-by-step tutorial, drop a comment below and I will make it for you.